Welcome back, everyone, to the Deep Dive. I'm Taylor.
And I'm Alex.
And today, we're really excited. We're jumping into Chapter 14 of the Spring New York book.
That's right, Taylor. And wow, if you've been following along with us,
Yeah?
you know we've already explored Chapters 1 through 13 in our previous deep dives. We've covered so much useful English together, step by step.
We really have. It's been quite a journey. And Alex, guess what?
What's that?
This chapter, Chapter 14, it's actually the last chapter of the Spring New York book.
Oh, wow. End of an era, almost.
It really feels like it. But hey, don't worry. The learning definitely doesn't stop here.
Not at all.
In our very next deep dive, we're going to have a special episode.
Yeah.
We'll be reviewing the entire New York book.
Ooh, that'll be great. A really good recap.
Yeah, tie it all together. And then very soon after that, we're starting a whole new adventure with the London book.
Fantastic. New city, new lessons. And also, don't forget, everyone, every Friday, our team uploads an episode about a recommended book. So always more learning available.
Absolutely. Always something new. So, okay, mission for today, Alex. What are we tackling in this final chapter?
Right. Our mission is to get really clear on three main things. First, those quick replies, short answers for future questions.
Okay, like using will and going to.
Exactly. Then, how to tell time like a native speaker, you know, all those tricky expressions.
Like quarter past, half to, stuff like that.
And finally, how to use the present continuous tense like I am doing, but to talk about future plans that are already arranged.
Okay, that sounds super practical. We'll give you simple examples, connect it all to real life so you can start using it, well, right away.
Let's do it. So, first up, quick replies. When we talk about the future, we often use will or be going to, right?
Right.
But native speakers, we often shorten our answers. You don't need the full sentence always.
Yeah, it's much more natural, isn't it? Like if I ask you, Alex, will you go dancing tonight? You probably wouldn't say, yes, Taylor, I will go dancing tonight.
No, definitely not. I'd just say, yes, I will. Or maybe, no, I won't. It's quick. It's easy.
Exactly. So the structure is simple, yes or no, the subject, and then will or won't.
Like in the book, will Mr. Brown take photos today?
Yes, he will. Or no, he won't.
Or will you eat salad?
Yes, I will. No, I won't. Simple.
It really is. And remember that phrase from the workbook, I'll be there for you.
Oh, yeah, classic. Using will for a promise.
Exactly. The negative is, I won't be there for you. And the question form.
Will I be there for you? These short answers, they just make conversations flow so much better.
They really do.
So maybe think about it right now. Will you study English tonight? How would you answer naturally? Just, yes, I will, or no, I won't.
It seems small, but getting these down really helps your fluency. Okay, what about going to?
Ah, right. Similar idea, but the short answer uses the to be verb, doesn't it?
Exactly. So if the question is, are you going to travel next year? The short answer is, yes, I am.
Or,
no, I'm not. You match the am. Perfect. You wouldn't say yes to are going to or something like that?
no, definitely not.
Or, is Henry going to play today?
Yes, he is. Or, no, he isn't.
And one more. Is Jessica going to fly to Glasgow tomorrow?
Yes, she is. Or, no, she isn't. It's all about using the correct form of to be, am, is, are, or the negative forms.
You got it. It makes you sound much more natural. So think about your own plans again. Are you going to practice speaking English after this deep dive? Maybe. Yes, I am.
Hopefully. Okay, so we've got short answers down. Now, making plans often involves knowing when things happen. Time.
Yes. Super important, Taylor. Knowing how to tell time correctly is essential for, well, everything. Schedules, meetings, just daily life.
Absolutely. The book gives us the common ways. We all know o'clock, right? Like 8 o'clock for the exact hour.
Sure, that's the easy one. But then it gets more interesting with past and to.
Right. So for the first 30 minutes after the hour, we generally use past.
Like 5 minutes past, 10 past, a quarter past.
Yeah, a quarter past for 15 minutes, 20 past, 25 past, and then half past for 30 minutes.
Like 2:30 for 2.30.
Exactly. It's how many minutes past the hour.
But then after half past, we switch things up. We start thinking about the next hour and use to.
Right. So 4.45 isn't 45 past 4, usually. It's
a quarter to 5.
15 minutes to 5 o'clock.
Makes sense. Or like 7:50 would be 10 to 8.
Exactly. 25 to 20 to a quarter to 10 to 5 to leading up to the next hour.
It takes a little getting used to, but it's very common, especially maybe more British English, though Americans use it too.
Yeah, it's definitely used widely. The book gives those city examples too, remember?
Oh yeah. Tokyo, it's noon. Simple. New York, it's 6:30. London, It's 3:20.
Ah, see? 3:20, that's the other way.
Right, you can just say the hour and the minutes. 3:20. 2:45 is maybe more common in American English. It's very common everywhere now, I think. It's maybe a bit simpler, less traditional than past and to, but totally correct and natural. So you have options.
Good to know both.
Yeah.
And then there's the whole AM PM versus the 24-hour clock.
Yes. Important distinction. The 12-hour system, with AM for morning and PM for afternoon, evening, is standard in places like the USA, Canada, Australia.
But in Europe, including Great Britain, Alex, and many other parts of the world.
The 24-hour clock is much more common. 14:00 for 2 p.m., 20:00 for 8 p.m., sometimes called military time in the U.S.
Right. So looking at schedules like John's week schedule in the book or making plans, you need to be clear if someone means 6 a.m. or 18:00.
Definitely helps avoid confusion.
Okay, so we can answer questions about the future. We can say when in the future. Now let's talk about how we describe those future plans, specifically using the present continuous. This one feels a bit counterintuitive at first.
It can, yeah. Because we first learn present continuous, like I am reading, for things happening right now, or maybe around now. We saw that back in chapters 5 and 10.
Exactly. What are you doing? I'm watching TV. Present moment.
But here's the cool part. We also use it very, very often for future plans that are already arranged. Fixed plans. Things on the calendar.
It's like the plan is so definite, it feels like it's already in progress in some way.
That's a great way to think about it, Taylor. Like, it's already set in motion. Remember Mia's weekend plans from chapter 10?
Vaguely. She was upset, wanted to relax, talk to Olivia.
Yes. And they decided to go to a cabin for the weekend. They made a plan.
Okay.
So they could say, we are leaving Friday after our last class. See? Are leaving. Present continuous verb.
But talking about Friday, the future. Because the plan is made, it's fixed.
Precisely. It's different from her feeling now, Mia is upset, or her general thought, she thinks they need a weekend, which uses present simple.
Got it. So it emphasizes the arrangement. Could they also say, we're going to leave Friday?
Yes, absolutely. Going to works for plans too. But the present continuous often highlights that it's a firm scheduled arrangement, like an appointment or a booked ticket.
Ah, okay. The book has other good examples, right?
It does. Like, I'm flying to Madrid tomorrow morning. That sounds like the ticket is bought, the plan is set.
Or, Dad is cooking for us tonight. It's arranged. We know it's happening.
Mm-hmm. And I'm looking forward to meeting you. That implies the meeting is already scheduled.
Okay, that makes sense. And negatives work the same way for these future plans.
Yep. Jess isn't coming. Why? She needs to work. It's a definite plan or lack thereof for the future.
Or, Rick isn't traveling on Friday.
Yeah.
Peter isn't playing with us tonight. These all mean the arrangement is not happening.
Exactly. There's also that slight variation the book mentions, using present continuous for decisions made now that affect the immediate future.
Oh, right. Like, I feel really tired. I'm not driving. The decision is now. The action, not driving, is immediate future.
Or someone calls you as you're walking out the door. Sorry, I can't talk. I'm leaving for work now. Your current action impacts the immediate future.
Or, Danny isn't coming tonight. He is studying. His studying now means he won't come later.
It's all about context, isn't it? Using that same structure for now or for fixed future plans.
It really is fascinating. So for everyone listening, think about your own calendar for the next week or month. Do you have any fixed plans? Maybe you are meeting a friend for coffee, or you are traveling somewhere.
Try describing those plans using the present continuous. You might find it sounds really natural.
Wow, Alex, we covered a lot there. That wraps up chapter 14.
We did. Short answers with will and going to, telling time with past and to and just numbers, and using present continuous for future arrangements.
It's been such a great journey through this spring New York book, and this chapter really gives you the tools to talk confidently about the future.
It really does. But remember, the key is practice. Keep exploring, keep using these phrases. Try making sentences about your plans for tomorrow or next week.
Definitely. Use it or lose it.
Right, exactly. And Taylor, like you said, this deep dive marks the end of our journey through the New York book itself.
It's a big moment. What an adventure it's been.
It really has. But we're not stopping.
Nope. Get ready, because our very next deep dive is that special review of the entire New York book. We'll consolidate everything.
Perfect timing. And then get ready for the London book. New adventures await.
Can't wait. And don't forget those Friday episodes with book recommendations, too.
Always something useful. So as we finish this chapter in this book, here's something to think about.
Ooh, a final thought.
Yeah. How will mastering these different ways of talking about the future, the short answers, the time, the present continuous for plans, how will that change the way you share your exciting plans and dreams with people in English?
That's a great question to ponder. It really opens up how much you can express.
Absolutely.
Well, keep learning, keep growing, everyone. Thanks for joining us.
We'll see you on the next deep dive. Bye for now.